Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a retro Sonic. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our classic Sonic shape, let's begin with the nose. So starting right here, let's begin by making a long skinny oval for the nose. Then I'm also going to color this in, and I'm just going to leave a little bit white on the nose for like a little bit of a reflection. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, we're going to come down, and then we're going to go back up. Next, we're going to curve this around, and we're going to bring it all the way up to here. Starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to come down, and then we're going to go back up. Now this part's a little tricky. Let's make this line come up, and then we're just going to curve it right back down towards the eye. Or towards this part of the mouth, I should say. It's kind of weird because he's got two eyes, but they're connected into one. Now right inside of here, I'm going to make a tall, skinny oval. And over here, we're going to make another tall, skinny oval. When we color this in, we can color most of it in, leaving just a little bit white. And we'll do the same thing over here. Starting here, we'll put a little smile with a little line right here. Now, right by this eye, let's draw another little line that's going to come up, and then it's going to curve in just a tiny bit. Now, right above this eye, I'm going to make a line that comes up, and then we're going to come down for the ear. And then we'll draw that same little shape inside of here, and then let's just draw a line across. It's like a little triangle. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a long line that's going to come out for his spike, and then we're going to bring it back towards the ear. Then let's make another one that comes out here, and then we're going to bring it back. Now over here, let's make a line that comes out and then down for the other ear. Now we want to make his little arm right here. So here's what we're going to do. Let's start by making a line that's got a little curve, and we're just going to come down here. Then we're going to go up a little bit. Next, we're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to come up again. Right here, let's make a little line that's going to curve around and then connect. And then right here, let's make a line that's going to curve out. It's going to come in, and then we're going to come back up. We'll make another little line here, and then one more here. Next, we'll make a long line that's going to come out and then back down for his finger, kind of like he's pointing. And let's make another little line that's going to curve around here. Then we can just connect it. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve out and then in. And then we're just going to bring this all the way back up towards the arm. Let's draw a little line that goes right to the hand. We're going to kind of jump over it and then bring it back. And let's do one more here. We're going to come down and then bring it back. Right here, let's make a big oval shape for his stomach. And then we'll make another little line right here. And then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up for part of his face. Starting here, I'm going to make two little lines that are going to curve down, and two little lines that are going to curve down over here. We'll make a straight line across each one. And we'll put two little bumps on the side of each one. So make two little bumps and then connect them. Do the same thing here. We'll put two little bumps, and then we're going to connect them. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to bring it back and then go up. Same thing here. We're going to go out. We're going to bring it back and then come up. Now on here, let's draw two little lines that come down. And then we'll put a little oval on here as well. And then starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come down to a point and back up for his little skinny tail. Now the last thing we want to do is add his other arm. So let's begin right here. We're going to make a line that's going to come out and then in. And we'll do that same shape. We're going to go out and then in. We'll make a little curved line here. We'll make a little sad face. And a little line that's going to come up. We're going to go all the way down and bring it back here. And then the last thing is I'm just going to draw a little line right above this eye. And there you go. There is your drawing of the classic Sonic. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.